you heard of the goddess who is known to be the sister of Lord Vishnu or Lord Krishna? Greetings of the day, everyone. This is our 70th day of understanding Sri Lalita Sahasranamam, and the 70th verse is as follows. Narayani Nadarupa Nama Rupa Vivarjita Rhimkari Rhimati Hridaya Heyo Padeya Varjita. Narayani. The name Narayani suggests that she is the female part of Lord Vishnu and she is the sister of Lord Vishnu. Because the name Narayana comes from the name of Lord Vishnu, which means the ultimate refuge of Nara, which is the person. Now Narayani, she is said to be her sister because a brother and the sister come from the same parental source. I am not suggesting that there are parents of Lord Vishnu or Ma Lalita Tripura Sundari. No, it is just a suggestion that they show very identicalness in their actions. That is why also they are said to be brother and sister. She is known as Nadarupa, which means Nad means primordial sound or just sound. That sound is her form because she is Shakti, and also that Nadarupa, the creation began with her. She is the creator of it, and it is also associated with the divine sound Om, which is known to be the sound of creation. Next, she is known as Nama Rupa Vivarjita. Basically, Nama means name, Rup means form, the physical form, and Vivarjita means devoid of or completely free from. This suggests that the Divine Mother in her truest most nature is devoid of any sort of shape or form, but so that her devotees can understand her or connect to her better, she minimizes or she in a way, she tones it down a little and takes up a form so that it is easier for us to connect with her. Next, she is Rhimkari, which means Rhim is a Bij mantra. It has the element fire in it, and she is a Rhimkari, which means the embodiment of the Bij mantra Rhim. Rhim is used for Ma Lakshmi, often associated with her, because in Siddha Kunjika Stotram it is mentioned Rhimkari Pratipalika, which means as the embodiment of the Bij mantra Rhim, she takes care and runs the world. She is the protector of the world, the nurturer and caretaker of it. Rhimati, which means that she possesses divine grace and utmost modesty not in a bad way that this should be done, that should be done. No, her action in itself are the source of modesty. The way she carries herself or she just exists, basically, that is extreme.